Bus stations are known as Attribution or Boost.
Serbia, hi.
Hi.
A YouTube channel?
Yes, I'll tell you. It's called Terminal E.
Name YouTube channel, name.
Yes, I'll tell you.
I tell you.
Okay. Me and Nancy
Hello.
are right now going to a bakery to have our breakfast. Nancy is going for her local sightseeing on this cycle.
It's my first morning here.
Places you're planning to visit?
You have told me some places और आप बता दीजिए मुझे ताकि मैं मैप में ऑफलाइन डाउनलोड कर दूं.
हाँ, maps of यहाँ पे network है. If you have you're having a SIM card, MTS.
Yes.
Okay, so
Telenor, I think.
Telenor, okay.
Yeah, it is.
Any SIM चलेगा. But it's always wise to download the maps offline so that कहीं भी network ना हो तो you are not stuck. House on the river Drina is just up ahead, and Racha Monastery you have to go to the city center. वहाँ से रास्ता है. Around 6 kilometer cycle, uphill, downhill, and same way back.
तो राजा मोनेस्ट्री
And house on the river Drina.
हाउस ऑन द रिवर ड्रीना, ये दो जगह मैं अभी कवर करूंगी
हाँ
साइकिल से.
फुल डे लग जाएगा आने जाने में.
अगर थोड़ा टाइम से वापस आई तो
तो
the guy in the hostel is telling me कि तारा नेशनल पार्क ले जाएंगे वो.
देखते हैं वो आप. मैं बोलूँगा कि वो कल करो आप, because उसमें पूरा दिन जाता है. You do it tomorrow. There are a lot of sights to be seen. He'll guide you. The morning market of Bajina Basta. Isn't this lovely? People over here buying their Shimla mirch. There are huge Shimla mirches here. People buying their vegetables. Wholesale markets picking up their stock and heading to the retailers. और ये यहाँ पे एक रेस्टोरेंट है, नाम है पेकारा. So we are here at the bakery. Nancy doesn't eat meat, or she's a bit skeptical about eating meat here. So if you go to a bakery and say no meat, they'll understand. So we have taken a cheese patties. Cheese patties कुछ भी है. हम दोनों ये शेयर करके खा रहे हैं. हाँ.
मैं अपने लिए भी रिकॉर्ड कर ले रही हूँ.
ठीक है.
ज़्यादातर चीज़ें यहाँ पर नॉन वेजिटेरियन ही है, तो मेरे लिए थोड़ी सी दिक्कत हो रही है. हालांकि मैं नॉन वेज खाती हूँ बट बाहर का अवॉइड करती हूँ. तो कुछ ये पैटीज़ टाइप का है, चीज़ है इसमें काफ़ी सारा. ये वेजिटेरियन है, तो मैं और सोना सभी यही खाने जा रहे हैं.
Going to some bakery. You want to pick up bread. If they don't know English, say gleb. I want gleb. तो वो समझ जाएंगे. जी, hostels में क्यों रहे? Why do we stay in hostels? What is the advantage?
ताकि और भी लोगों से मिलें, और कल्चरल एक्सचेंज हो.
हाँ, like-minded people से मिले.
सोलो ट्रैवल जैसा नहीं लगता है.
हाँ, वही.
हॉस्टल में
जैसे कल हम लोग देर तक गप्पे मार रहे थे. We were feeling like a bunch of friends who have met after a long time, and we were discussing. This is the best thing about staying in hostels. You don't feel alone, and you meet like-minded people, and the trip becomes much more easier, simpler. You get tips from them.
एक दूसरे का
एक्सपीरियंस शेयर हो जाता है. आगे आप जहाँ भी जा रहे हो उसके बारे में वो कुछ बताएगा, आप उनको कुछ बताओगे. ऐसे ही फिर दोस्ती भी बढ़ती है. जैसे मेरी और आपकी दोस्ती हो गई अब.
जैसे याना है मेरी रूममेट.
हाँ.
वो इंडिया आने का प्लान कर रही है.
हाँ.
तो हम लोगों ने उनसे बोला कि आप आए तो लेट अस नो.
या श्योर. अभी नैन्सी निकल रही है अपनी बाइना बस यात्रा के लिए. आई विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट नैन्सी. ट्रैवल सेफ, सी द प्लेसेस, एक्सप्लोर तारा नेशनल पार्क आराम से. ठीक है.
थैंक यू.
Bye bye. I'm at the bus station of Bajina Basta. Bus stations are known as Avtobus or Bus. Avtobus stanica, which means bus station. The Bajina Basta bus station is pretty big. Buses go to major cities across Serbia. I'm here to take my bus to Novi Sad. There is the ticket counter over there. There's no need to buy a ticket beforehand. You can come here and get it on the go. The main company which I'm traveling with is Raketa Bus. These are all Raketa buses behind me. It's a very big transport company in Serbia and very dependable. Much like Nita Travels of Mumbai. The ticket. I'm going to buy a ticket beforehand, not at the bus station. But the choice is yours. You can buy it from the conductor or you can buy it at the counter. Do you have a ticket to Novi Sad, please? 145? I came yesterday to check. Skolka, пожалуйста. 1050. Novi Sad? Okay. Yeah. 45. Bus number? Platform 5. Voila, spasiba. Thank you. This is the ticket. Bus starts from platform 5 at 1:40. Check out the places where you can go from here. You can go to Belgrade or Beograd. You can go to Ujice, which is the nearest railhead. You can go to Zlodol. That's a small village in the Bajina Basta municipality. Go to places such as Subotica, which is at the northern part of Serbia, bordering Romania. Bus is in another 30 minutes. You'll go to Novi Sad. The travel time will be around 6 to 7 hours. It's gonna be fun.
Hi. YouTube channel?
Yes, I'll tell you. It's called Terminal E.
Name, YouTube channel name.
Yes, I'll tell you. That was Dejan, my friend.
Yes.
Dejan has just passed out of school. And are you a footballer?
Yeah.
You play football?
Yeah.
Which position? Striker? Defender? Midfielder?
Defender.
Defender. Okay. Who is your favorite footballer and football club?
Liverpool.
Liverpool. See, he has a Liverpool purse.
Yeah.
All you Scousers in my channel.
Liverpool and Red Star.
Red
Belgrade.
Star.
Yes.
Manchester United.
Manchester United.
And Indian club East Bengal.
East Bengal.
East Bengal.
East Bengal.
It was nice meeting you, Dejan. Wala puno. Thank you. Baka.
Thank you.
इसमें आप या तो टिकट काउंटर से ले सकते हैं बस स्टेशन में, नहीं तो जब आपकी बस आए यू कैन सिंपली गो इन एंड सिट. कंडक्टर आके, मतलब बस ड्राइवर जो है वही कंडक्टर है, वो आके आपसे टिकट ले लेगा. अब कौन सा चीपर है कौन सा महंगा है ये मुझे नहीं पता, बट मोस्टली दिस इज़ नॉट द टूरिस्ट सीजन. बसेज आर मोस्टली गोइंग एम्प्टी, सो यू कैन choose to buy at the spot when you're in the bus. Late afternoon, sun is going to set and I'm going to reach Novi Sad by around 9 p.m. It's good. I'm enjoying the bus. ये सारा पीछे मेरा बस. Normally लोग यहाँ से बेलग्रेड जाते हैं, वहाँ से switch करके नोवी साड जाते हैं. Currently 7 p.m. and we have reached the outskirts of Novi Sad city. 2 बजे चला था, 7 बजे पहुंच गया. करीबन 5-5.5 घंटा ऑलमोस्ट लगता है. और हॉस्टल बस स्टॉप से, बस स्टेशन से हार्डली 10-15 मिनट वॉक पे है. देखता हूँ, मैं टैक्सी करता हूँ, नहीं तो पैदल ही चल लूँगा, देखते हैं. वैसे नोवी सैड सर्बिया का सेकेंड लार्जेस्ट सिटी है बेलग्रेड के बाद, और ये का इट इज़ नोन फॉर इट्स फेस्टिवल्स, और ये यूथ कैपिटल माना जाता है यूरोप का. बहुत बार यूथ कैपिटल ऑफ यूरोप वोटेड हुआ है ये, तो मज़ा आने वाला है इस शहर में. इट्स द कल्चरल कैपिटल ऑफ सर्बिया एज आई एम टोल्ड. I finally reached Novi Sad. My hostel is somewhere here behind this building, and this is bang on the Liberty Square, the main square of Novi Sad. First impressions of Novi Sad, it's a really pretty city. The place where I'm staying is dotted with eateries. There are a lot of eateries over here. There are ATM machines, bankomats, casinos, you name it. It's in a very convenient part of the city. It's time ho raha hai 8:30. It's pretty late not very late at night, but my hostel is a bit small and a bit dingy. Not quite up to the expectation. Hostel Sova. Only pros of this place is this bang on the Liberty Street. See that cathedral over there? I'm going to visit. So a lot of sightseeing to be done tomorrow, but today I'm just gonna go and grab some dinner and end the vlog over here. Such a beautiful boulevard. There are cycles, there are ATMs, there are eateries, there are casinos, you name it, it's there. Right then, tomorrow the cathedral, I'm gonna go to the cathedral and also to the fort, the Petrovardian fort. But right now, it's time to find a place to eat somewhere over there and end this vlog. So if you like this video, give it a like, comment, share with your friends, and of course subscribe and hit the bell icon so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first one to get the notification. With that, ending the vlog in Novi Sad. See you tomorrow from Novi Sad.